How do you learn to fly? How do you learn to pick your window on the sky? How do you learn to fly? How do you learn to catch your wish on the wind? How do you learn to talk? How do you learn to mix your thoughts and your words? Oh, how do you learn to see? Take a breath on the wind and let it blink on your eyes. Have you ever woken before tomorrow comes anew? Have you ever noticed dreams run slightly overdue? Have your eyes perceived the coming cluster on the sun? Running ripples on horizon shape of shadows just begun. All the places where you wondered but you never might have been. Open your eyes, there's someone with you when you call. How do you learn to fly? How do you learn to pick your window on the sky? How do you learn to fly? How do you learn to catch your wish on the wind? How do you? That wind brushes slowly crossing my cheek. Windswept swallow rustles feeling no need to speak. So softly she does flick her wings to reach past the clouds. Catch a glimpse, catch a day, please don't fly away like a gentle bird. Springtime, watch me quiver, watch me flutter, please let me fly. Baby, my friend, shuffling feelings coming back in touch. Baby, my friend, when the fragile sun turns from crisp to soft, it's leaning over. Feathered love and fancied words that tumble on the breath with the lively blinks to the window. On the shrug out that's left with well imagined stories of beginnings that's to a smile on the slither of an ocean with you gone. Sit up for a while, we might like to be acquainted. So I just stand on you